DIY Gourmet presents How to Cut Chicken Breast. In this video, we're going to be taking a boneless, skinless chicken breast and skillfully slicing it along its longest side. What we're going to do first is make sure the breast is nice and clean, also trimmed. That way we don't have to do any extra work once we're there getting it to open up. Once we have that ready, go ahead and start from the meatiest part of the breast. Stick that knife in slowly. Don't pierce so far as to go out the other side. You need to stay right in the middle and work it down the length of the breast without poking through the other side or without cutting too far high or too far low. What you're doing is making a pocket, and you have to make sure you have a sharp knife when you're making this pocket. Check it every now and again. Make sure you rub around to see if that knife isn't poking out. This is going to need a very careful hand because you don't want to cut yourself either. So when you're handling that chicken breast, be careful when you know that the knife is inside doing its job. Once it's done, take the knife out and run your fingers in smoothly to make sure that slit was sliced nicely. Once it is, you can open it up and see if you need to add any little cuts inside in order to make that pocket up to its full potential. From there you can take little slices that'll further open it up so that when you lay it on its back and spread it apart, it'll be like a nice open shell ready to stuff with your favorite toppings and fillings. Also, if it happens to be that you're not going to lay it on its back and stuff it, you can seal it up nicely with a little bit of culinary twine back up along that longest edge. Do it yourself gourmet, everyone. We'll see you next time.